Today on Clyde's Cache, we're going back to Aunt Nancy's farm, and this time we're going with our new dirt bikes. You can see one in the back there. So I'm gonna teach Clyde how to ride today. We're gonna do some fishing, and we're gonna check our shelter too. Remember? Yeah. All right, everybody, we'll see you after the B-roll. How's it going? We are here. We just did a little ride. I'm very grateful for what I have here. Clyde is riding really well. He crashed one time and he was following me through some pretty tricky spots, and he just knew when he got off balance and put his feet down. He's really good at riding a bike. So it makes sense that he's figuring this out really quickly. Hey, what are we going to do?
Fishing!
Good idea. Caught a hatfish. Or a visor. Can't really tell. We always find cool things after it's flooded around here. Whoa. What is it?
It's a giant picnic blanket.
Wow.
Branch. Oh, go back to dirt biking.
Let's do it. Hey lady, quit touching my bike.